I purchased the 3-liter version of this pet water fountain, Model FS13. The box clearly says that it's 3.2 liter, which is Model FS11, so we'll have to check to see which one I actually received. Okay, I have exactly 3.2 liters of water, 108 ounces. So when I filled it up with 3.2 liters of water, it was completely full. It held the water, but you couldn't put the top back on. So I redid it, not knowing that my camera was not recording because of lack of space. And I put exactly 101 ounces, 3 liters of water, and it held it. But as you could see when at the beginning of this clip, that it barely held it. In fact, the water came up through the filter when I put the lid back on. So I think it probably needs to be a little less than 3 liters to work properly. I'm going to try it with the faucet pipe, but my cat usually likes the bubble function as you see here, but we'll just see how she likes it.